Emma, can you say thank you?
Thank you.
You say thank you, Colton?
Thank you.
You say Colton? Colton. Can you say Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas.
That was good. Do you like your cards?
Bye.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, you get them all in your hand. You got a whole bunch.
A bunch.
Yeah. That's getting too big for your little hands. Are you going to start another pile?
Whoa.
Whoa. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Can you look at the camera and say bye-bye?
Bye-bye, right there.
Can you blow kisses?